Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas and things we like to make at home. Anyway, very easy and simple recipe for today. I'm gonna give you the full roast pork. I'm gonna show you guys how you can marinate the pork before you cook it. You need to prepare it, get it marinated, season up, soak, and all these things before you cook this roast pork. So please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please leave a comment in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. So stay tuned with Chef Ricardo on the cooking show. See you next time. So basically I have a piece of leg pork shoulder which I want to roast it for my Sunday dinner. But before you even roast it for your Sunday dinner, you need to soak it, marinate it, and all these things. So basically I have a lot of garlic right there when we're going to use up on it to get the flavor in the pork. I got about 3, 6, 9, about 12 cloves of garlic. Alright? So basically you need to crush up some garlic by doing this. Alright, that's all. You know, if you don't have one of these at the home, you're in trouble. As I always say, you need to get one of these from Chef Ricardo, guys. You need to get one. So I'm just squeezing up the garlic at the moment. See that? That's exactly what I'm talking about. If you squeeze up the garlic, you know. That's all of my garlic I've been using. Once you do that, simple. Just scrape out the bloody thing like this. Scrape out the thing out of it like this. And you don't have to use a knife. You can just, you know, use a teaspoon or so and scrape it out. Once you do that, first thing what you want to do is make sure you rub up this pork. Get this garlic all underneath it and all everywhere before you even do anything to the pork. You need to get the pork garlic all over the pork, you know. Alright, this is how me do my meat. I like to rub up the garlic first on it. And then once you once you rub up the meat on it like that. This is some fresh thyme I'm gonna be using. You don't need the stalks of the thyme. You just want to take off the leaf them. Alright? You don't need this bit. Alright, let's put that in the bin. Nice and lovely. So that's exactly what you want to do with the pork. Once you do that, we got a piece of a ginger. Ginger, good for use on pork. So I'm just removing the skin from the ginger. We got a white onion, and I'm cutting up the white onion and put on it. Alright, all-purpose seasons a must. That's a teaspoon and a half I've been using. Chef Ricardo natural blending season. Here it is. 1, 2 teaspoons of it. Yeah. I like my natural blending season. That's the original one from Chef Ricardo, you know. That one is coming out for Christmas. So if you're not, you don't have to worry yourself when I wonder why Chef Ricardo not released the video yet. I got the video made, ready to release, but it's for Christmas. Alright. Garlic powder is a must. This is some grounded garlic powder. I love my garlic, man. Nice one. Why not put some paprika on it, you know? Yeah, paprika is a must. If you love paprika, that come in really handy. Cajun season, not too bad. I love mixed herb. Put a teaspoon of mixed herb on it. Marinate it. You have to get the pork seasoned, man. It's a must. You can't do pork and marinate it the right way. You're in trouble. Put roughly about a tablespoon of oil. Because the pork is fat and you have to be careful. Yeah, about a tablespoon of vegetable oil or olive oil. Whatever oil I like to use. Alright. So, this is what's gonna happen now. I'm gonna marinate him up. See how some people marinate meat and I don't know what them I do. Marinate up a pork like this, man. Make a pork a flavor and taste good and all them things. Yeah, I make the pork taste good, you know? Look at it. Yeah, let this have a whole heap of flavor in it. See that? This is how you marinate your meat. Alright guys, so this is exactly what I'm talking about. Look at that. Look at this. Alright? This is exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about. That's the way you marinate your pork. Thank you so much for tuning to Chef Ricardo's show. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. So please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. My name is Chef Ricardo. Please stay tuned and watch more video. Yeah, that's the way you marinate pork. We'll see you next. So once you marinate the pork and all these things, what you need to do is wrap it and put it in the fridge for at least 24 hours. Alright? Next video is to show you how I cook the pork. Alright guys? So please stay tuned. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.